Forget the greasy delivery boxes and the sad, store-bought imitations. It's time to transform your kitchen or patio into a pizzeria playground with the Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven. This innovative electric oven isn't just another appliance. It's a portal to unleashing your inner pizzaiolo and crafting restaurant-quality pizzas in under 90 seconds. Imagine perfectly blistered crusts, gooey cheese pulls, and the intoxicating aroma of fresh baked goodness, all without the fuss of wood-fired ovens or the expense of gas. Intrigued? Buckle up, pizza enthusiasts, because we're about to deep dive into the Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven and see if it lives up to its mouth-watering promises. Electric revolution, plug-and-play pizza perfection. The Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven prioritizes ease of use and eliminates the complexities of traditional pizza ovens. Unlike wood-fired or gas-powered options, this electric oven requires no installation. Simply plug it in and get ready to cook. With a preheat time of only 15 to 20 minutes, it reaches a maximum temperature of nearly 662 F 350 C. This allows you to cook a delicious 13-inch Neapolitan pizza in a lightning-fast 90 seconds, turning pizza night into a reality in minutes. Remember to rotate your pizza every 30 seconds for an even cook. Pro-level control for delicious results. The Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven isn't just about speed. It offers precise control for achieving professional quality results. Dual knobs allow you to independently control the upper and lower heating tubes, ensuring even heat distribution across the top and bottom of your pizza. This mimics the brick oven environment and results in perfectly cooked crust and melt-in-your-mouth cheese. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or a complete novice, this oven offers the control and performance to elevate your pizza-making skills. Just be mindful of smoke. Avoid dropping food on the stone and use a moderate amount of flour under your pizza to minimize smoke production. Indoor or outdoor, versatile pizza party potential. The Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven isn't confined to your kitchen. Its versatility extends to outdoor use as well. The solid steel shell boasts an IPEX 4 weather-resistant rating, allowing you to enjoy pizza-making experiences on your patio, backyard, or even at outdoor parties. The oven goes beyond just pizza. You can explore a variety of recipes, from cooking fish and steaks to roasting vegetables. This versatility expands its functionality and makes it a valuable addition to any outdoor gathering. Complete pizza-making kit. Ready to rise to the challenge, the Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven comes equipped with everything you need to start crafting delicious pizzas. A 13-inch cordierite stone provides a traditional and heat-retaining cooking surface. A baffle door assists with faster preheating, ensuring you're not left waiting long for pizza perfection. An aluminum pizza peel allows for safe and easy maneuvering of your pizzas in and out of the oven. Finally, an infrared thermometer batteries not included helps you monitor the temperature for optimal results. This complete kit eliminates the need for additional purchases and have you ready to start baking pizzas from day one. Star Patio, a commitment to quality and customer service. Star Patio prioritizes customer satisfaction. They offer a 60-day free replacement guarantee and a 1-year warranty on the electric pizza oven, demonstrating confidence in the product's quality. Additionally, they offer a separate grill-top pizza oven ASIN. B0BVZLC32W for those who prefer a grill-based approach to pizza creation. A few considerations before you buy. Potential limitations. While the Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven offers a compelling set of features, there are a few potential limitations to consider. Some user reviews mention the size of the oven limiting pizzas to around 13 inches, which might be a factor for those who prefer larger pizzas. Additionally, the preheating time, while relatively short compared to other ovens, might be a minor drawback for users seeking instant gratification. The verdict: a convenient and versatile option for pizza enthusiasts. Overall, the Star Patio Electric Pizza Oven is a convenient and versatile option for pizza enthusiasts who crave delicious pizzas without the complexities of traditional ovens. The ease of use, rapid cooking times, and versatility for indoor and outdoor use make it a compelling choice. The complete pizza making kit and commitment to customer service are further advantages. While the pizza size limitation and preheating time might be minor drawbacks, the Star Patio electric pizza oven offers a strong value proposition for those seeking a user-friendly and high-performance way to enjoy restaurant-quality pizza at home or outdoors. If you're looking for a convenient and versatile electric pizza oven to unleash your inner pizzaiolo, then the Star Patio electric pizza oven is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.